All right, everybody, back with some more low heat here. I already did this, but I screwed up, so just pretend I'm cutting the tape again. Got that out of the way. Back with some more low heat. Make sure you subscribe. Don't ignore me. Don't ignore the words that I'm saying. I'm saying subscribe, so click it right now. All right, let's pull this out of here. Let's see what we got. Okay, what we got here. This is a shoe box. They chose to use cardboard in a rectangular shape. Pretty standard, with the name of the shoe on it, barcode, yep, and then a nice little hole here so you can slide out the shoes. But as I've learned from a famous Shoetuber named The Worm, this is the easiest way to get them out. There we go. Then you can just kind of see them all, the shoes, right away. Much more effective. All right, let's see here. What do we got here? All right, so this is the Yeezy 350 V2 Boost. And some of you may not know this, but Kanye designed this shoe because he liked wearing socks. And he's like, why can't I just wear socks outside? So he started wearing them outside, and they got a lot of holes in the heels. So he's like, let's put some rubber on them. And like going up things like elevators and stuff, or escalators, like they were like kind of sharp on his feet. So he's like, let's put these little things here to fit the grooves of the escalator. And so, yeah, that was a 350. And then he wanted to improve on the V2. So he's like, let's make comfier socks. So he like made comfier socks out of this free range kangaroo vegan hair, because him and Kim are into that sort of thing. So yeah, so let's do a little bit of quick examining of the materials here since I mentioned them. And let's get some close-up B-roll. There we go. Can you hear that? Well, ASMR. That's some stiff leather. Let's just check out the other shoe, make sure it's the same. Looks the same. And then they chose to, expose the foam here. That way, if you step on something like very interesting, your foot can feel it right there. So you can kind of like a bat with sonar on your feet, touch things and figure out what they are. Actually, let's try them on. These are vegan. These a tiger shark died to make. Let's try them on quick. They include a little bonus. That's what it looks like on foot. That's if you put a black sock over a white sock. Feels very comfortable. Let's put this other one on. Let's get the bonus stuffing out. Whoa. A little camera shake for authenticity. There you go. Make sure you like and subscribe. Don't just ignore me. Do it, because I have 45 subscribers. I need 50.